guys, today I'm going to share a simple strategy on how to make $1,450 from $1,200 on binary options trading. But first, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss working trading strategies. Also, visit my Telegram channel where I provide free trading signals and personally answer questions to help you earn money. Are you ready? Come on! I'm an expert in trading, and in this video I will show you how I earn money from trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimal risks. You can use my strategies that I show and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before operations. I know you can't wait to get down to business. Pay close attention to what I say and what I do. Click like and let's go! The most exciting part of my video is my strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%. It is based on the use of two indicators, the awesome oscillator and the RSI. With their help, I determine whether to open a deal or not. When moving averages intersect from bottom to top, this means a possible upward movement. The second indicator helps to determine the general direction of movement of the chart on a large scale. And now the settings. I will leave everything to the basic settings. I include only two indicators, the awesome oscillator and the RSI. I leave the settings for the two indicators as standard. Now turn on the candles, set the interval to 1 minute, the transaction time is 1 minute as well, and we can start. I start with the amount of $200. It is from this amount that we will leave at $1,450. Opening the crypto composite index, we are opening our first trade for a reduction in this amount of $200. Here is the intersection of our top-down moving average and a chart with an active downward movement. And we are watching how our first deal confidently goes into the plus and waiting for the right moment for the second one. Do you want to earn like professional traders? We provide detailed signals in our Telegram channel. Follow the link in the description and join our team of millionaires. For the second deal, we put the amount of $386. The second deal will be the same in this index. We analyze the situation and make a 1 minute reduction deal. This is a downward moving movement and the intersection of the sliding ones. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we see, our strategy works if we find good entry points. Our second transaction ends in a plus. Our balance is already $745. Now we are increasing our transaction amount by $745. And now we are looking for the next situation that suits us. And this time we open a 1 minute rise deal. Here again we see the intersection of the sliding ones, as well as an upward moving movement. So the deal is over, the next scoring deal in a row. We observe our balance at $1,439. Our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached $1,439 from just $200. All our deals were confidently and successfully closed, which shows the success of the strategy that I showed you. Good luck and good profits to all. Do you see? All you need is just the right strategy. If you want to increase your profit, join my Telegram channel and look at my strategies. Also, check referral link in the description and receive bonuses on Olymp Trade. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.